Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of CS Slurps MSG Mondays. I am so excited. It's my birthday month. I'm turning blank. What do you think it is? Put in the comments below. It's my birthday. I'm super stoked. I got an early birthday present from my boyfriend. Thank you, babe, for getting me these amazing noodles that are not available in Canada. We are going to be trying SAMYANG BULDAK QUATTRO cheese flavor. I'm pretty stoked. I saw these online not too long ago. Of course, being in Canada, cannot find these anywhere in any of my stores, not even the Korean stores. None of them have it. So, of course, a little bit sleuthing online. My boyfriend was able to find something. Thank you so much. I cannot wait to try this. It really just seems like SAMYANG is going, SAMYANG, sorry, someone corrected me, it's SAMYANG. It's going in the more creamy kind of route. So without further ado, let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, we got our noodles here. We've got the cheese powder and of course our signature SAMYANG sauce. We're gonna bring 600 milliliters of water to a boil. You're gonna want to cook those noodles for 5 minutes and 30 seconds. We're gonna drain the noodles and leave 6 tablespoons of water, and then add in your spicy sauce, your buldak sauce, and also the cheese powder seasoning, just like so. And we're just gonna mix it all together until it's all incorporated, got all the sauce in, cheese is dissolved, and now we've got our wonderful luscious noodles here. Let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, so this is the finished product. Let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, so it's been a hot minute. We here in Canada have not received any of the newer flavors of SAMYANG in a while. The last one we received was the cream carbo. So again, as I said before the video, seems like SAMYANG is really trying to go in the more creamy direction. We're going less spicy here for sure. It is like the cheese version, but definitely with a lot more cheese added to it. So if you're wondering, the Quattro cheese, the 4 cheese flavors that we have here, feature mozzarella. We have a bit of camembert, which is a soft cheese like brie. We have cheddar and we have Gouda, so all soft cheeses. I was actually hoping for a more sharp cheddar taste or something a bit stronger to really push the cheese flavor out in terms of like more cheese flavor. I also love a lot of older cheeses that have a lot of strong cheese flavors, but this wasn't really it. If you want to think about the regular cheese SAMYANG, but an even less spicy version of that, this is what you're gonna get. I mean, I love cheese, I love all that stuff, but I just feel like those 4 cheeses are really, really mild in taste, and I'm a huge cheese lover, so I would have liked to see some pecorino in there, or Parmesan, or even like a little bit of blue, just to give it a little bit more funkiness. But it is really luscious, it's super creamy. If you love cheese and that creamy factor and can't handle the heat, this is a SAMYANG version for you. Not as light as the light version, however. Of course, you get those signature chewy noodles here, longer cook time as you would with most SAMYANG noodles. And of course, this one's really, really high in calories. It's 575 calories per serving. So keep that in mind. There's always like a warning on there. It's also 1,600 milligrams of sodium. So beware and be cautious when you're eating that. But all in all, I liked it. The cheese version, the regular version, isn't my favorite one. This isn't my favorite one either. I still would choose cream carbo or regular carbo over this flavor, but this still is quite tasty. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 4 out of 5. Again, not my favorite SAMYANG, but if you are a SAMYANG noodle stan, you will try this, you will like it, you will enjoy it. Will I buy it again? If it's around, I'm not dying to try it. It's like a luxurious spicy craft dinner. SAMYANG version. If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see everyone next week. Bye!